Okay, pour it in. Oh, we gotta. That is soap, laundry detergent that I don't like the smell of. How much do you think we need?
More than that.
This is undo the things. We're at church for an activity for our upcoming girls' camp.
So
Tie-dye adventures. I'm amazing, and you're supposed to wash the pillowcases before tie-dyeing. But I'd already brought the items to the church, and so I couldn't come and wash them because I just couldn't. So my cute mom gave me this years ago, and I've not used it, and so I lost the original stick, so we're using our broom handle. Anyway, so this is exciting. We're gonna see how this goes. Do you think that's enough water?
I don't know. We're just gonna try it out.
Hey, put it in. Boom. I bet we need more water. I would do more water. I was just looking for my phone so I could text somebody. It's in my hand.
How many should I put in?
I don't know. So we'll just maybe half. We'll wash them, and then we will take them out and do the other ones. And then we'll have to rinse them.
I'll do one more.
Okay.
You almost got that on me. We'll have to rinse them.
So the lid prevents us from seeing it. But it prevents splashing. Okay, lift up the lid. The lid. The lid. Oh. That's awesome. You're amazing. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be.
It can be as
I'm just guessing. I did solid ones and now I'm doing like a.
Where's yours?
It doesn't really look like
There.
It doesn't really matter what it looks like in the middle.
Okay.
You know, try to
Just scratch it.
24 hours later.
So cool. See it.
There's pink on it.
Oh, that's pretty. Do you love it?
Look at the bottom corner. Why is there pink on it?
Because it was a mess, and if the color was on the counter, then it got on your pillowcase. It's super cute though. What a fun activity. Okay, let's put it in the bucket. We'll wash them all later. Thank you.
Sophie. Sam's doing so great at his schoolwork. Sophie. Eat him, so eat him. Eat him. Well, how do you feel about this, sister? Are you excited?
Kind of, but I'm kind of scared to make it on my
Oh
own.
yeah? This is Sarah's absolute first time cooking.
With a hot pan.
Yeah. So she's 8.5. And I think that she's old enough to cook. Do you think so?
Yeah. Dad taught me how to make what is it called? Oatmeal? But it's disgusting.
Oh.
Because you add like so much salt. So you have water. So you put oats, a few cups of oats in a bowl. Then you add water, you add salt to it. Then you put water in it, and then you cover it up. And then you eat it. It's
How
gross.
dare he teach you to make gross food?
I can't even reach it.
Okay, where are we at with the
So we need to boil it for 7 to 10 minutes.
Okay, well we're just getting the water boiling, right? And then you'll add in the noodles. Is that what it says to do?
Mm-hmm. And then it has to boil for 7 to 10 minutes until tender, stirring occasionally. Tender,
Yep.
tender.
Yeah, till the noodles are tender.
Which is not crunchy.
Right, very good. Let's go ahead and pour them in.
Okay, the cheese bag's out.
Oh, that would be terrible. Okay, so just very slowly and carefully pour it in so you don't splash. Now you gotta watch it real close so it doesn't boil over. I would take your temperature down to 6 instead of high. So turn it to 6.
This way?
Either way, doesn't matter. Just turn it. Whoa, you're so big!
It's hard.
Big girl!
It's hard. Okay.
Let's just give it a
It
quick
needs to
stir.
boil to 7 to 10 minutes.
Yep. So now you wait for it to reboil. And it will be magic. But in the meantime, you could get your cheese sauce going.
Should I make it?
No, I want to. I'm making it. And I get the cheese bowl this time. Because
You're making it. Good job.
Okay.
You got your instructions?
Okay, we need to add. So we need a milk. We need 3 tablespoons of organic milk.
Well, we don't have organic, but we have
Other
milk.
Tablespoons? 3 tablespoons? 2 and 1 tablespoon, so 3 of these.
Good job.
So I add the cheese first, right?
It doesn't matter.
I would probably open it a little more than that, maybe. You got it?
I thought you were gonna cut my hand off.
Well, not today. Maybe tomorrow. Here, can I help?
Make sure you add butter to the noodles when you're done.
I know. Come out! Yeah.
Very, very warm. Can you put my mouth? It's a good thing you put that lid on.
Well, I'm not happy she kept it on, or else it would have flown all over her. So you're being obnoxious.
1, 2.
Ooh, good job! It's fine, Sam.
Oh well.
Yep, get a rag.
Or a paper towel. Thank you.
Good job. Now get that mixed up.
Huh?
Just keep stirring.
It's powder.
I think it needs more milk.
No, it's
No,
fine.
it doesn't, because it said that much.
The best thing my mom ever taught me is you clean up as you go. So you just clean up as you go.
Yeah.
Oh, I've tried 3 times. to
Don't
put that in there.
throw away the box.
Oh, I'm gonna burn it right now, and then you won't get to see it ever
we
again.
need the box though, because we are still cooking. I hope this is good. You don't want them sticking at the bottom.
No, you don't. Why don't you want that?
Cause then that's not good.
Just because it's not good?
Because then they get burnt and then it's like,
Yeah, it's not tasty.
yeah.
Beautiful, Sarah.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it over here.
Oh, okay. But you don't put that in yet, right?
So I can keep an eye on that and mix this up.
You're a wonderful multitasker. Good job.
Do you think that's mixed enough?
What do you think?
I think it is because there's like no powder.
I think it looks amazing. Just like you.
Okay, now I gotta keep an eye on this. And also, this is the reason why I don't like when Sam leaves the pan when he's cooking mac and cheese.
Oh,
Because then bubbles curries up and then
Yeah.
it starts spilling and you're like, Sam!
So you didn't set a timer. I never set a timer. I just keep an eye on it and I taste the noodles.
Yeah, do I mix it now?
Yeah, it's okay to mix. I'm not sure. I might drain the noodles. I don't know that I'm comfortable with you doing that yet.
I'm not comfortable with myself doing
Okay.
it either.
So I will drain the noodles, but
Because
good
this
job.
is boiling water.
Good job on doing everything else. First time. Yeah, try one.
It better be disgusting.
It looks like it's done.
It's really long. Crunchy.
Is it good?
It's
Okay,
done.
Sam, will you
It's done.
strain that for us?
It's done.
Okay, turn it off.
Ow! Touch
Yeah.
that
Oh,
there.
did you?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm okay.
We've decided Sarah's not quite old enough to
Strain it.
herself.
But I can make it, but I can't strain it.
No, that's a lie, Sarah. You can't too.
We're gonna help her with that part of it.
Oh, Mom, if she's old enough to cook, if she's old enough to cook, then she's old enough to take out the garbage.
Oh, I think you're old enough to go get a job and move out.
No,
Yeah, you are.
I'm not 18 yet.
Well, so you don't have to be 18.
That's just rude, Mom.
I don't think I'll ever move out. I might. I'm
Hmm.
older, but I don't know if I'll
Yeah?
move out when I'm little. Because when you're little, you don't want to move out. You don't want to leave your family.
That needs a little bit more water.
No. Stop trying to ruin her mac and cheese,
I'm
Sam.
not. That needs more
No,
milk.
it doesn't.
It's too thick.
It's creamy and delicious. Okay, you can pour it in.
Yes, but we need
A spatula. Samuel, you're being a turd.
I'll eat this whole mac and cheese.
Can you even eat the whole mac and cheese?
I've eaten a whole can of beans, and I'm still hungry.
This is more than a can of beans.
I know, but
You have to go get the girls soon.
I'm not getting the girls today.
It's 12, not even close.
It's almost 1. You can go get the girls.
I can't drive.
I'm gonna give you more work to do. Apparently you're bored. You need more schoolwork.
I'm not bored. I'm not bored.
Oh, I pushed her the wrong way. That's scary. You seem bored, so you need more schoolwork to
I'm
do.
not bored. I'm just having fun. Teasing Sarah about cooking her mac and
It
cheese.
looks really good.
do I mix it up?
Yep, and butter if you want butter.
I do.
No.
It says to do mac and cheese. It says to do butter.
It
So
says to do mac and cheese. I wonder why.
we need 3 tablespoons.
Doesn't matter. That's a lot.
No,
That's
2
all,
tablespoons.
It's all the butter I can get.
Yep, that'll be enough butter. It's fine.
Got a little bit more syrup.
No. Okay, that's good.
Awesome. Get it stirred up real good. If you feel like it is too thick, we can add more milk.
No.
But I think a nice thick and creamy mac and cheese is amazing.
Yep. It sounds disgusting. No, the sound.
Sounds delicious.
I love that sound. Sarah, good job. You just cooked that.
Yay! I hope it's. No, that's my goal.
Is that super exciting?
Mhm.
She's having
This
the
is-
cheese bowl.
This is
Stinky.
the cheese bowl. It's
Oh,
made out of
okay.
cheese.
You need to be quiet. Okay. Bon appetit.
Sam,
Taste it. See if it's good.
I get to taste it first.
She cooked it. Back off.
That's just rude, Sarah.
No, it's not.
She just ripped it out of my hand.
I would have done the same
I was
thing.
gonna use
Okay,
for the
taste it.
scoop. But
I want you to taste it.
No.
Is it delicious? Or is it yucky?
Wait,
Good.
Sam, you already had mac and cheese.
That's just rude, Sarah.
You're not gonna eat the whole box. He can have some. No, be nice.
Okay, so I
Okay, I'm gonna do a quick research on this fodder and see what we need to do.
Well, you might get a broccoli piece. A few broccoli pieces. Okay, Sam, that's good.
Sorry. That's enough, right, Sarah?
have enough. That's enough food. That's a lot of food.
For your one?
I don't think you'll even eat half of that. How'd she
It's going
do?
the way.
How'd she do?
It's salty.
Oh, is it? We didn't add any salt.
Really salty.
You're salty.
Wait, Sam, is this salted?
Yes, but we didn't have any unsalted butter.
That's
why it's salty. No, we use salted butter in everything. Because we're cool.
Not salty.